Look, and how are you? Today lecture is container concepts and Docker architecture. Good. So please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah. So next class is container concept and Docker architecture. What is container? What is container? Containerization is the process of packaging and application along with all its dependencies, configuration, and library into a standardized unit called a container. This ensures the application runs consistently across environments while isolating it from the underlying system. So this is a container and this is a system. This is a application files. This is a machine and this is a CMD file and command line file. And this is a container. So this is a what is containerization. Okay. Workflow of containers. Workflow of containers. These steps are workflow of containers. Develop and package the application. First step is to develop and package the application. Second is to store the container image. Third is to deploy and run the container. Fourth is to orchestrate containers. And finally is to monitor and manage the containers. Okay. This is the workflow of containers step by step and process. Container architecture. A container, this is three containers. Application Y, application V, and application C. Bin slips is a three is a bin slips. This is a container engine, host operating system HOS, host operating system. This is a infrastructure. So infrastructure operating system is connected to Linux and other application. And this is a container engine. This is a container, is a three container is connected to container engine. To this container architecture. Popular container providers. Docker, Docker, Rocket RKT, Linux containers, LXC, and CRI-O. This is the popular container providers. Docker architecture. Docker architecture is a step-by-step is a workflow. This is client. Client is a Docker run, Docker build, and Docker pull. Client is connected to Docker daemon. Docker daemon is the background service. Docker daemon is a background service that powers Docker. It is responsible of for managing Docker objects such as containers, image, networks, and volumes. Think of it this way Docker. Docker is a tool. And CLI Docker, no, first is a CLI Docker. CLI Docker, the Docker command line tool you use is just CLI Docker. Is a Docker run is a Nginx and Docker daemon. Docker CLI and Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a Docker. The engine that receives those commands and performs the actual work. So this work is just Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a Docker CLI and Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a Docker. Okay, this is a Docker post. Image is a Python and other container. This is a container. This is a connect to registry image is a nginx and extension This is a Docker and Kubernetes is a plugins. Plugins is a Docker and plugins connect to the Docker. This is a Docker architecture work. Okay. Docker client. What is Docker client? The Docker client is used to interact with the Docker daemon using command to manage containers and image. Client. The client is Docker run, Docker build, and Docker pull. Docker run is work you to create and start container based on a specified image. Docker build an image from a Docker file and sends it to the Docker daemon. Docker pull fetch image from our remote registry to the Docker host. So this work a client. Docker run, Docker build, and Docker pull. Docker run is used to create and start containers. Docker build is a build an image from the Docker file. Docker pull is a fetch image from a remote registry to the Docker host. Docker host, the environment we have Docker components such as Docker daemon, image, and containers reserved. Docker host is connected to Docker daemon. Docker daemon is a containers and image. The Docker daemon manage Docker objects and execute cloud queues like creating containers or plugin images. An image is a immutable read-only template that defines the environment for running containers. And containers is a instance of image representing running environments. So this is a Docker host. Docker host is a Docker daemon, container, and image. Docker registry. Registry is a centralized responsibility to store and distribute Docker image. Registry is a image extensions and plugins. Tools that integrate with Docker to enhance functionality. JFrog, JFrog, and Loglines. This integrate to Docker enhance functionality is a JFrog and Loglines and used to advance features like custom storage or networking drivers. It's a Grafana. This is Grafana and Docker telemetry. In Grafana and Docker telemetry. This is a Docker. Docket. Docket. Docket भी हो सकते हैं Docker भी हो सकते हैं. Docker registry. Docker file systems and best practice. Introduction to Docker file system. Docker file is a test file. Docker file is a test file that contains instruction to build a Docker image step by step in process. From node 40, workdir, mkdir is a Linux, is a Mac is directory, workdir, user to create app. Copy package.json JSON file. Run npm install, copy export 3000 cmd node, server.js file. JS file is supported in Docker file. This is Docker file. So Docker file is a test file that contains instruction to build a Docker image step by step in process. Docker file instruction from this is a from node 40. So from is a sets base image. Workdir, this is a workdir. Workdir is a set working directory. Copy files to image. Copy files to image and run execute shell command. Execute the command and run npm install execute this command. Okay. Expose open a port. Expose means open a port. 3000 number port open. So expose open the port. Okay. CMD default command to run. CMD node server.js default command to run. So this interaction of Docker file center is a interaction based. This is a interaction and this is a used to performance. Challenges faced by operators. First is a use minimal base image. Choose lightweight image like Alpine to reduce size and attack surface. Leverage layer caching. Order instruction from least to most frequently changed. Combine run instruction used to chain commands and minimize image layers. Avoid storing secrets. Use environments variable or secret memory. Use .docker, docker ignore, execute, exclude necessary file to keep image clean. This challenge is faced by workers. Image layering and optimization. Managing Docker image. Managing Docker image efficiently involves storing, distributing, versioning, and securing this image using Docker registries. Key characteristics of Docker image: portability, versioning, versioning, V1 and V2, virtual 1 and virtual 2. Two machine is a versioning. Layered store, this is a storage, is a layer store. Layer storage. This is a managing Docker image. Managing Docker image efficiently involves storing, distributing, versioning, and securing these images using Docker registry. These characteristics of Docker: portability, versioning, and layered storage. What are the Docker image and layers? Each instruction equal to one layer. Layer feature. Every from run config creates a new layer. Layers stack to from the final image. Final image is the result of all layers combined. Layer features cache from code faster rebuilds. Share between image and identical save disk space while using dependency. You can inspect each layer using Docker string. These Docker image layers, image optimization technique, combine command, use run app hyphen get update and app hyphen get install space hyphen y. This is a combined command. The run app get update the Docker file and app hyphen get install space hyphen y install the Docker file. Second, the clean up after the order summary. The clean up after run. Remove temp file and clear cache. Order summary. Place static instruction copy package.json before dynamic copy and dot. Use docker ignore. Avoid copying necessary file. Avoid copying necessary file. Use docker ignore. So this is an image optimization technique. Demo. Next, let's say a demo, create Docker files and build image. Docker networking models. Docker networking models. Introduction to Docker networking model. Docker provides several networking drives to enable container communication. Key networking models include bridge, host, overlay, and make VLAN. Each model serves different use case from single host to multi-host container communication. Single host to multi-host container communication. Understanding these help design container network optimized from core security and performance. To the introduction of Docker networking model. Key types of Docker network. Docker networking models define how containers communicate on the same or different host. Type of Docker network: bridge, host, overlay, and Macmillan. Bridge, bridge default network drive four containers on a single host. Host share the host network state directly. Overlay enables containers communication across multiple Docker hosts. Macmillan gives containers unique MAC address to appear as physical devices. With these key types of Docker networks. Volume management and data persistence. Managing Docker storage. In Docker, managing storage is crucial of maintaining data persistence and ensuring seamless operation of containers. By default, any data created or modified within a container is stored in the container's writable layer. The container layer is a writable and this is a non-writable. Container layer is a writable and image layer and base layer is a non-writable. इसको हम container layer is a writable and image and base layer is a non-writable. So this is a manager Docker image storage. Limitation. However, this approach has limitation. Ephemeral storage and isolation. Data is the writable layer is ephemeral, meaning it is housed when the container is removed or replaced. Isolation. Each container has its own writable layer, making it challenging to share data directly between containers or access it from the host system. Solution. This address these challenges. Docker offers storage option for persistent data and seamless data sharing across container and the host. Volume mounts, wind mounts, temp PFs mounts, and named pipes windows. This is just source. Water volumes. Volumes are Docker managed storage. Volumes are Docker managed storage unit that reside on the host file system outside the container writable layer. They offer several advantages: resistance, performance, data sharing. Rich container, Docker, and Docker volumes. Creating and using volume. Create a volume, Docker volume, create Docker volume, create my volume. Use the volume in a container, Docker run space hyphen d space hyphen name. My container hyphen v, my volume slash app slash data my hyphen image slash image. So this is used to the volume container. This is the example. M volume is m my volume. My volume is the mounted to the app data directory inside the container. Make a directory app data directory. Okay. This slash is app data is a directory name. Okay. So this gives the volume of the container. Container registries and image scanning. Container registry and image distribution. E-container registry is a open source centralized service for storing, managing, and distributing Docker image. It stores Docker image and enables this retrieval and deployment for containerized application. This is a Docker file. This is a Docker volumes. This is a Docker volumes. This is a Docker file. This is a container. This container registry and image distribution. Different container registries. Public Docker registries, Docker Hub. Basically, हमारा example is a Docker Hub. Public Docker registry is a Docker Hub. Private Docker registry is a AWS ECR. And Nexus repository self-hosted registry. Nexus repository. Cloud Docker registry is Google Container Registry is a cloud Docker registry. Red Hat Q.io hybrid registry. Red Hat Q is a Red Hat. Different container registry, it's a Docker registry, private Docker registry, Nexus Docker registry, and Cloud Docker registry, and Red Hat hybrid registry. It's a different containers registries. Docker image scanning. The purpose of analyzing container image for vulnerabilities or outdated package in Docker image scanning. Docker Scope, Trivi, Snake, and Chon. Why it matters? Detect security flow before deployment to ensure compliance with best practice. These are popular scanning tools or Docker image scanning tools. Next demo is building, tagging, and pushing image to registries. The next is Docker Compose for multi-containers apps. What is Docker Compose? Docker Compose is a tool designed to simplify the management of multi-container Docker applications. Allows developers to define and run complex application environments using a single YML configuration file. Nginx, Python, and this is the other applications containers. The YML. To allow developers to define and run complex application environments using a single configuration file. This single configuration file is used to the allows to the develop to the complex application is multiple complex application to use to a single YML file. Important Docker Compose command. Docker Compose up, Docker Compose down, Docker Compose build, Docker Compose PS, Docker Compose logs, Docker Compose config, Docker Compose stop, and Docker Compose start, and Docker Compose restart, and Docker Compose execution. This is an important Docker Compose commands. First is Docker Compose up, down, Docker Compose build, Docker Compose PS tools to check running the Docker. So Docker Compose log to check the logs with the Docker image, and Docker Compose config, Docker Compose stop the Docker Docker process, and Docker Compose start the Docker Compose, and Docker Compose start the Docker, and Docker Compose execution to start the Docker Compose execution. Important Docker Compose components. Use cases of Docker Compose. Number first is the development environment. Quickly spin up isolate development setup with all dependency configured in online on file. Dependency on file. Dependent environment. Automated testing. Create and deploy isolated testing environments for CI/CD pipeline with easy. Single host deployment ideal for deploying application on a single machine during development or testing phase. This is a three compose of Docker use cases. 1, 2, and 3. One is a deployment environments, automated testing, and single host deployment. Deploy multi-containers apps with Docker Compose. Runtime security and resource limits. Docker runtime security essentials. Docker runtime security essential. Securing containers at runtime is critical to prevent branches and ensure safe execution. Docker runtime security key practice. Last privilege principle, SecPomp and AppArmor, Docker Content Trust DTC, DCT, runtime scanning, isolate with namespace drop capabilities. This is a Docker runtime securing essential. Enforcing resource limits in Docker. Setting resource limits helps maintain system stability and avoid container overuse. Docker resource limits control and content usage. Memory limits memory flag prevent containers from exceeding set memory. OOM killer automatically terminates process that exceed memory limits. CPU limits control CPU access using CPU, CPU shares and CPU sets CPUs and this input output limit block input output with device read PPS and device write PPS. C group usage container where Linux control group to host limits. The host social limits in Docker. Integrating Docker builds in the CI pipeline, continuous integration pipeline. AI-based image scanning for security vulnerabilities. AI-based image scanning for Docker security. This is the AI image scanning based in Docker. Smarter detection continuously update model, reduce false positives and CI/CD ready. AI transform traditional scanning by enable smarter real-time detection in Docker image. So this is the AI-based image scanning for Docker security. Trevi AI enhanced scanner for Docker images. Trevi AI makes Docker image scanning fast, accurate, and AI power. Scan Docker image detects OS package and library vulnerabilities, AI layers, and DevSecOps integration. Seamlessly fits into CI/CD for automatic scanning. Treasury best practice for Docker implemented Treasury in Docker workflow, automate in pipelines, add Treasury image, my app, hype, semicolon, latest in CI tools. Scan frequently, rescan image after base image or package update. Searchability threshold and monitor trends. This is a trivial best practice for Docker. Next is AI with Docker file generation. AI generation Docker files. AI tools assist developers in writing optimize error-free Docker files using machine learning techniques. What is AI with Docker file generation? AI tools suggest complete and optimized Docker file syntax, improve efficiency in setting up containerized app, learns from public Docker files and best practice. This is the AI generated Docker files. GitHub Copilot Docker File Assistant. Key benefits and how it works. Speed up Docker file creation, image with idle ID, reduce syntax error, auto complete command from run and copy it. Suggest best practice, learn from the coding style. Tab9 and Codex for Docker File Assistant. Tab9 is an AI code completion tool that predicts and auto-completes Docker file command using training on large code bases. Tab9 It works locally or in the cloud, ensuring privacy and speed for secure environments. Codex understand natural language and code to generate Docker file detection from user prompt or commands. OpenAI Codex. It supports multiple programming language and integrates well with IDE and CLI tools. This is the Tab9 and Codex Global File Assistance. In summary, in this lesson, you have learned to explore the structure components of Docker, including container image and network layers, implement best practice to write efficiency, secure, and large Docker file, genuine network and storage option, managed container interaction, and practice data, and generate Docker file using AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Tab9, or Cortex to improve productivity. Okay. So, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.